Assalamu alaikum guys and welcome back to the channel. Last video was about to the select distinct. Okay, select distinct and select distinct count. And I told you the differences between the select distinct that will only retrieve the records that are unique from database, and the count distinct actually counts that distinct record, okay, which we used, which we have in our database. So today's agenda is about to the where clause. Okay, so what is a where clause? Basically, the where clause is actually we use to filter the records, okay, and it is used to extract only those records that fulfill a specific condition. So here I am in my XAMPP server, and here I have the database of student info. I need to be open the SQL editor here to use the where clause, okay, and to show you. Okay, and as this query is already built in, so here I'm just adding condition in where clause. Okay, and then I will explain that what actually I'm trying to achieve. Okay, so I'm just saying where name equals to, and I have to be right in this quotes. Okay, so now let me explain this query and then I will proceed to go. Okay, I'm saying you have to select all. Star means all from this table name. Okay, this table name student info where. Okay, you have to filter what records from this table. I said where name, if you find the name Omar, okay, from this table, okay, and anytime, okay, if Umar, if this name Umar contains two times, three times, four times, you have to display all. Okay, so when I run this query, okay, and let's see what will happen. Okay, sometimes the exam server will take time. As you see, Umar is present one, two, and three times. So it is actually where clause actually when the condition meets the specific condition. Okay, this clause will run. As you see, it finds I have added this name column, okay, to the SQL query, and then I said if name meets to Umar, then you have to show all the records that I have. So I have three records with the name Umar, one, two, and ID for this one. Okay, and then I need to be go back in SQL again. Okay, so here one. Now you can add the different clauses of your own choice. Okay, like I added on the name one, so you can add on this other, you can say your columns. So I'm saying where country equals to, let's say, USA. If you have to show all the records where country is equals to USA in my database. Let's run this query and we'll see what the results we got. So it is actually returning 59 records that contains the country USA. As you see, it is actually make a border, okay, around the country USA, USA, USA. There is no Australia and no for other country. So this is how your where clause works. Same like you can add where clause on this city as well. I'm saying where city equals to New York. Okay, let me run this, and sorry, no New York, it's New York. Okay, so when I run this query and let's see what will happen, whether it, yes, I have only one record with the city name New York. Okay, I'm saying you have to find out one more thing. I'm adding in my SQL. I'm saying where, now I'm adding the two things. I'm saying where name equals to Umar. Okay, if you find this name, and I'm adding one more condition with the where clause, where name equals to Umar and country equals to, you can say, AUS Australia. Now if the condition meets if this query meets the specific condition present in my database, okay, then this query will execute, otherwise not. So it says unknown column country in where clause. Why it says unknown column country is present? Hope so now it will run. Okay, as you see, this query now runs successfully. I find where name equals to Umar and country equals to AUS, Australia. So this is how your where clause works. Same like we can change the clause as well. You can add multiple condition in the where clause. Like if I run the last query where name equals to Umar. Now let me uh, write something more. Here I'm saying country equals to USA. Okay. Now this time I'm just wronging the format, and let's see whether it will return something or no. I said where name equals to Umar and country equals to USA. Let's see whether it will return the things or no. No, it is not returning because our one condition went wrong. What was actually the condition? The second one, where we stated that country must be equals to USA. One requirement this SQL fulfills. Like we say where name equals to Umar, it finds the name Umar, but it cannot find the country equals to USA. That's why it is returning nothing. Okay, so this is how your where clause works. You can also mention the ID as well, where you say id equals to, I'm providing the ID, you have to retrieve the record for this specific ID. Let me run this query. Select star, yes, I have the one record for this particular ID. Okay, name this one, this one, this one. So this is how your where clause works, where actually uses is used to filter the records from the database. And the one more important thing which you have to note, that the where clause is not only be used in select statement, it is also used in update, delete as well, etc. Okay, so it is not only specific with this select statement, but we will explore these queries later, that how we update the record, how we delete the record, okay, and insert also. Okay, and as in starting, now I'm just pressing this using this button to insert or update it, but this manually I will tell you that what are the specific conditions you need to be add to make your insert query. Okay, so guys, that's all about today's video. Today we learned about the where clause, that how we use the where clause, okay, and how we retrieve data from database to use using where clause.